Do you ever want to have a great time at the trout stream without dragging a ton of gear? I know there are times we just want to keep it simple and enjoy the outdoors. Let's see, come on out of there. So for us, Blake grabs his catch one anytime, anywhere fly box and his spinning rod, and I usually grab my camera. That's it, and we are headed to the stream. What I wanted to show you was we've got the whole stream, at least this area of it, to ourselves. I'm watching this little river otter over here. And there he goes. For Blake, it's all catch and release after getting his daily tag. For me, it's enjoying all the sights and sounds, whether I'm chilling out in a chair or taking a walk. Do you see Blake's little red fly box there? Would you like to know what's inside? If I can get 10 new subscribers in the next week, I'll make a video on the little red fly box. I got him that time. Yeah, got him that time. What is it? Is it a secret?
It's called a glowworm. We tie him Larry's. We don't tie this color though.
Uh-oh.
Well, I don't know.
Well,
May not catch a fish on it, but we'll see. I can see it better in the water right now. So we'll see.
okay, here we go. I'm gonna look at him. There he is. What? Oh my gosh, and now we've got a raccoon. River otter, deer, raccoon. Everybody's out tonight. There it is, a near perfect evening with no hassles. Just good fishing and lots to see in this beautiful state park. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.